Hey everybody, we're closing in on just a few more days left before we need to take our pig into the butcher. And unfortunately, we still don't have a livestock trailer to do so. We've been borrowing here and there, but I'm going to try to build something. I've got a little flat 14-foot trailer. It's just a little flat bed trailer, has like 2-foot rails on each side. And I seen something on TikTok, but Sow the Land has a lot of cool projects, definitely worth checking out. And I had thought about this previously, and then when I seen his video pop up and he did it, it kind of just secured the idea in my head that, yeah, it can be done. And so this isn't going to be something where I'm going to be taking long trips and whatnot because, it's not a regular stock trailer, but just the butcher's, 10 miles away, so it's not a real long trip. And it's just going to be the pig, and he's not super agile, so I don't think he's going to be like trying to jump out or get out. He's just probably going to hang out and lay down, and shouldn't be too much of an issue. So we're going to build basically a fence on top of the trailer and secure it to the trailer and see how that works. So I had my son out here helping me earlier, and we've got most of the links cut. I just got to do a few more cuts, but essentially I've got my long side is I just cut 10-foot boards. That's not the exact length of the trailer, but it's going to work for our purposes. I kind of wanted to leave a little bit of space. And then we did 41 inches because I wanted it to be 48 inches tall. So of course you got the 2x4 taking up both the top and the bottom. So we did 41 inches in between. So that'll make a nice even 48. Because I'm gonna have the 2x4s laying flat and connect them that way. Won't be as stable that way, but I think once I secure them all, I'm gonna put some stabilizers on the top. And so I think everything will be fairly sturdy. And in between, I'm gonna be using, I call it pig paneling. Hog paneling, but it's just the heavy-duty steel fence. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but homesteaders use them all the time, but I've always just referred to it as hog panel. So you'll see what I'm talking about here in a second. Well, we ran out of light the other night, then I had to go to work for 24 hours. Now I'm back, and we're gonna try to finish off these panels. So I've got the one over there just to sort of measure it on the trailer, and I think it's gonna work great. I just got to get these other ones put together and up there. So just gonna, all that's left is I got one more of the short sides that I got to put together there, and then we just need to nail everything else, nail the panels to the wood. So I'm just using these 1 3/4 fencing staples to secure all of this down onto the wood panel. Alright, so I got everything put up. The thing left is to figure out the door, but it's pretty sturdy on there, especially on this front side. This other side I don't have the door on, so it's kind of loose. I got this ratchet strap down so that I don't think it'll be sliding or anything, so that's what I'm mostly worried about, like blowing off. So I've got a industrial or commercial ratchet strap on there cinched down, so I don't think it's going anywhere. It's just a little bit more wiggly than I'd like it, but I've got this board and the board at the bottom secured so that it doesn't slide or push. So I just need to figure out how to get this door on, and then we can start loading cupcakes. Dude, I'm gonna miss you, big man. I really am. You've been a heck of a good pig. I hope you enjoyed your life, brother. Did the best I could, my man. Hey, big boy, go for a little ride. Get this open. You go. I'll open this up.
Okay, let me just come through.
All right. Hey, Pig. We'll go get us Casey's donut. Uh-huh. We're letting you out.
Come on. Come on.
Attaboy. Attaboy, Big Pig. Hey, buddy. Come on. Attaboy. Attaboy. Hey, Big Pig. Hey, Big Pig. Look. Look what I got for you. Hey, Big Pig. Hey, Big Pig. Come here. Look. Good boy. Big boy. Look. Can't resist the donut. Come on. That's a big boy. Good boy. Attaboy. Attaboy. Almost there, big boy. Almost there, big boy. Good boy. Here you go. Here you go. I love you, buddy. Good boy. I got my raincoat in there if you want it. I know, buddy. A little different, huh? A little slick. It's a short drive, bud. A good piggy. Buddy, if any pig or animal is ever gonna make me go vegan, I'd say it was you, big boy. You've been my buddy, haven't you? Your job was to eat food and get as fat as you could, as quick as you could, and you did a good job of it. You've been a good piggy.